How to install your SimCorner USA eSIM on iPhone. In this video, we'll walk you through registration, setup, and installation. Before you can install, you'll need to register your eSIM. To register your eSIM for activation, the EID and IMEI of your phone are required. These can be retrieved by dialing *#06#. If your phone displays an EID, it confirms your device supports eSIM. Complete the registration form sent to your email, or if you purchased via the SimCorner app, register under My Sims. You'll need to enter the IMEI and EID numbers retrieved in the previous step. You'll also need to select an activation date. Remember, activation occurs on the activation date selected during registration. Same-day registrations may result in activation delays. For urgent activation, email support@simcorner.com immediately after registration. While installing your eSIM, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile network. On your activation date, your iPhone will receive a push notification from T-Mobile. It will say something like, "Finish mobile service setup." If dismissed, you can also find it in Settings. Tap the notification to begin, and follow the on-screen prompts to install your eSIM. On the activation date, if for some reason you don't see or receive the push notification, grab the PDF that was emailed to you after your SimCorner purchase and have it open on another device or screen. Then go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile, then Add eSIM, and proceed with the installation by scanning the QR code. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Once the eSIM is installed, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile. Make sure both mobile data and default voice line are set to your US eSIM. A text message confirming your US phone number will be received once installation is complete. And that's how to install your SimCorner USA eSIM. If anything isn't working, do not delete your eSIM. Just email us at support@simcorner.com and our team will help you out. SimCorner. Travel smart, stay connected.